AKJ1530F and special types of gradient bevel upper circle lower square bevel. Continuous cut, brake tool path adapt to various cutting demands, enhancing drafting efficiency, compensate for plate deformation to get high cutting precision. Two-dimensional mid-high power range bevel cutting solution combines CNC controller, rotary axis, nesting software and laser cutting head. It provides extensive support for industries such as steel structure, shipyards, subcontracting, engineering machinery and so forth.